How to make money online, how to make money online, how to sell your product online, no matter what it is that you're selling. My name's Melissa. I'm a digital marketer. I'm also a Spanish interpreter. I do that from home. I'm very passionate about both. But I wanted to talk about how to make money online and what I learned about making money online. You see, if you're not looking for an extra side hustle, you're not looking to make extra money, I don't know what you're thinking, because the inflation is chaotic. The gas prices are through the roof. Food prices, my God, it's crazy. And the rentals or finding a place to live that has a decent price, that doesn't exist anymore. That does not exist anymore. And either we complain about it or just wait for the government to just change things, or we change ourselves. We learn new skills and monetize off those skills and become better versions of ourselves, or we're gonna sit and cry and complain about it. I don't feel like crying and complaining about it. I felt like learning a skill that I wanna teach you today. So how do you sell more stuff online? And how did I learn this? I decided to pay for a mentor. I decided to pay for to learn how to do this. And that's what I've been doing. So I wanted to share it with all of you. So how do you do this? Number one, find a product that you want to sell. And guys, you can either do this on Clickbank. Clickbank is free to join. And if you're already selling a product and you want more people to look at your product, you want to generate more traffic, you have to know how your product provides a solution to the marketplace. You have to know how it alleviates pain. Why? Because pain and pleasure are the two forces that control human behavior. Avoidance of pain is 10 times stronger than the need to gain pleasure for all human beings. Why? Because of the fear mentality. So if you know this, and if you know that what product that you're offering is going to provide a solution, you need to know who your target market is. You need to know the pain that they're going through, right? And provide a solution to their pain, creating content on how to solve that problem. And when you know how to do that, you're going to be generating traffic, and you're going to be getting prospects to look at your website and to put their email in there, and you're going to learn how to be converting sales. This is what I learned, and I decided to share it with anyone who's interested in learning how to make money online, because I went through this pain myself. I struggled myself, and until I learned that, I kept struggling. So this video is exclusively for affiliate marketers